Let's now go to a different type of question, which is complete each of the following. If the age of Asma now is X years, then her age 3 years ago was what? 3 years ago, we're going backward, will be X minus 3. If the age of Bilal now is X, then his age after 7 years from now will be, now it's X. 7 years from now, we're going to go more 7, so it's X plus 7. If the age of Ayman 5 years ago was X, then his age now is what? 5 years ago he was X. Now we moved 5 to the front, so now it is X plus 5. Question 4. If the age of Sally 2 years ago was X years, then her age after 3 years from now will be what? 2 years ago she was X, so now she is X plus 2. And then the question wants another 3 years from now, so it will be X plus 5. It's time, dear students, to check your understanding. So when you see the questions, pause the video, answer the questions yourself. After that, play the video again to check your answers. A positive integer whose square is more than 5 times this number by 36. So we have a positive integer, its square, x squared, is more than 5 times the number by 36. So x squared equals 5x plus 36. How can I solve this? If you move everything inside and you factorize, x minus 9 and x plus 4 equals 0. So x can be 9 or x can be negative 4. The question says a positive integer, so it cannot be 4. So this number is 9. So the number is 9. Question 2. Find the rational number whose 4 times its square equals 81. 4 times the square of the number is 81. If you move this inside here, so 4x squared minus 81 equals 0. If you factorize this, it's 2x plus 9 and 2x minus 9 equals 0. So the rational number can be either negative 9 over 2 or positive 9 over 2. Question 3. The sum of 3 successive integers is equal to the square of their middle number. Successive integers are x, x plus 1, and x plus 2. So their sum, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, is equal to the square of the middle number, x plus 1 all squared. If you simplify this, will be 3x plus 3 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. If you put them all equals 0, so x squared plus 2x minus 3x plus 1 minus 3 equals 0. So it will be x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. To factorize this to find the numbers, so x minus 2 and x plus 1 equals 0. So x can be equal to 2 and x can be equal to negative 1. So this answer will not be correct if you try it in the question. So x equals negative 1. If you want to double check, the sum of the numbers negative 1 and 0 and 1, if you add them all together, it is 0, which is equal to the middle term squared, which is also 0. So the numbers are negative 1, 0, and 1. At this point, dear students, we reached the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you a good luck.